Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Block Blast glitch. Now, if you want to get high score using Block Blast, you should try this glitch. Now, first, if you have an iOS, what you should do is to simply go to the settings. Then you should make sure that in the background app refresh, you have both are on, the Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is a necessary step in order to run the game properly, smoothly, without any stuttering or any issues in the performance. And this will be done only if you have iOS. The second thing is to simply turn off the low power mode. And now if you have an iPhone, you can simply find it just right here, or if you have an Android just like me, you'll just have to search here in the settings for low power, then search for it, or you can simply search for battery and performance. Then make sure that you have it on the balanced, not the battery saver, and make sure that for the other applications you don't have anything that is limiting your power usage on any applications. Now the third step that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, whatever browser that you have. Then what you should do is to simply type here pluginelite.com, search for it. Then here it will open this page. Now you will have to search here for Block Blast. Just search for it, then you will get here this option. Just click on download now, and don't worry, this will not affect your mobile badly. And after it downloads, the application will open and it will show you a small tutorial on what you should actually do and what are the applications that you should download in order to apply this glitch. Here, as you can see, it shows you that you have to install 3 free apps or offers below to finish the installation having trouble. And don't worry, these applications will not affect your mobile badly, and they are totally safe because you will just download them from the App Store itself. But this is a necessary step in order to complete the download of this plugin that will help you get higher and higher score in the game. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.